Good morning, good morning. Man, oh man. Good morning, guys. We think it's sweep of August 13 highs, then push down or keep moving higher. It's gonna be difficult. I'm a little bit nervous about today. I'm gonna be trying to play a little safer, because I'm a little bit nervous. So we had, okay, 5 minutes till open. We had PPI come in pretty low. And we got crude oil inventories in about an hour. I don't know how that affects us. But I'm not too sure how to trade low PPI. And the fact that off PPI we got this huge buy up is pretty nuts. It's over 100 points. So I think I'm gonna be trying to play this as safe as possible. Staying long for the news event in 5 minutes. I'm long in gold right now. So I think gold, I took a long last night. Took a long last night somewhere back here. Somewhere in here. So I'm just trying to hold this gold long and see if it breaks out. If the market here pulls back, I think gold maybe breaks out of this high. But we'll see. I got my stop loss set on gold for slight profit. So if it pulls back like back here, I'll have to stop out. So we're locking in about $100 here. And yeah. Okay, we got 3 minutes till open.
When asked about Russian gas exports to China, U.S. Energy
I don't know, I'm
Secretary
liking
Rice
gold
said
a
that
lot
Trump's
more.
priority is to bring
This is
Russian
like the
Ukraine
first
war
time
to an
I'm
end
taking
without larger
a gold
disruptions.
trade on the prop firm account. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute orb, and I'll take an orb trade. But as for like holding something right now, I'd rather hold gold. I mean, gold can dump as well, so it's not like something, you know, safe or whatever. But I'd rather hold gold long instead of going long NASDAQ. I think NASDAQ might be a little risky to short too, because if we do break through this gray box, there's probably going to be some short covering. So I'm sure there are a bunch of stop losses, people that are shorting right here, like up here or up here. So we'll see. Okay, we got 2 minutes. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. I'm going to miss open, but I'll be right back.
One minute now until we get the market on open imbalance. Ten seconds. Market on open imbalance. S&P 500, sell side 64 million, NASDAQ 100, sell side 6 million, Dow 30, sell side 40 million, and the Mag 7, a sell side of 7 million.
All right, we're back. Wow, gold's dumping. Or sorry, not gold. NASDAQ. Okay, gold, low pump. Okay, so we're back under the gray box. Let's see if we get any weakness. I'll be paying attention to Frick's indicator, I guess, as well. If we get a sell signal, which technically came in pre-market, we might take an early trade. But one of the things I wanted to say is that it's not a common occurrence for there to be all-time highs in September, in October, things like that. So overall, at some point, I'm going to be looking to short down to 23K, down to 22,600. Just, yeah, we've been we've been on the grind up. So since it's been on the grind up, we've had to long. Okay. We pretty much got rid of this entire move. Oh, and we're lagging. Okay, there we go. Right back to VWAP. Waiting on the 15-minute orb. This one's going to be a huge one. Most likely. Okay. If we break this, there's probably going to be some stop losses.
Shares of some US chip makers gain after Oracle says it expects 500 billion in booked cloud orders. AMD up 4.2%,
Small trades don't size
Nvidia
up.
up
We might end up
3.1%,
hitting new
and
highs.
Broadcom up
Possible.
5.1%.
Middle box is showing ES. Is it? No, it's showing NQ. This one right here. Alright, nice. Gold's moving. Perfect. So I'm in a trade at least. I'm in a gold trade. Not exactly in an NQ short, but I'm in a gold trade at least. So if NQ dumps, I get some some good stuff. Yeah, I bought 2 gold. And this is MGC V5. Whatever contract that is. So this is just a gold long. Okay, so this one can stay long on gold. Then I'm gonna go over to our other pro account. And we're going to wait for a move. Could possibly add here actually for the long.
Order filled.
So Polish Foreign Minister Sikorski says, "We have no doubt that the drones flying into Poland were not an accident." Says it was an
Sold
unprecedented
24,032 in the pre-market. Just sold 950. Nice. Good short.
citing NATO and the EU there as well.
Okay, so far it's held this level. All right. We're back in the bullish channel. Our 15-minute orb, or our range right now. Actually, it's not too huge. It's about 70 points. So that's actually not bad if we're gonna play the 15-minute orb. Okay, there's a little pullback. S&P looking pretty good.
Comments now from Norway's foreign minister on this says there was no discussion of invoking NATO Article 5.
Okay. S&P looking a little better, but NASDAQ looking like it wants to go lower. Okay, we're getting our first sell signal on Frick's indicator.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, closing that.
Order filled. Order filled.
We'll try to follow Frick's indicator, see how well it plays out today. Just kind of curious, because today it's like, man, I basically just want to play the orb. Today's like a little bit of a scare day. How low do we target? I mean, maybe 900. Possibly 850 if it dumps here. S&P's still holding pretty well. NASDAQ's just kind of leading the sell-off here. And then on our gold position, we're looking pretty good. So we're basically long gold and then short NASDAQ now. I hope that's not breaking any rules. Okay, we're below anchored VWAP and regular VWAP. We'll want to break like 910. Yeah, this may be a huge range. You just close 1 mini, average at 803. Orb guys, all the best. Opening range bull trap. You're targeting 820. Or you just closed 820 average long. PPI beat expectations, but it might have been built in. Watching the prior price action, beat expectations. A PPI came in soft on all counts. it's positive for the consumer, but is it positive for stocks? That's the thing.